In this video, I will show you how to make animated avatars for your faceless YouTube channels like these. Check out the channels like 10x Income, Digital Income Project and AI Guy who have grown their channels to hundreds of thousands of subscribers by using these kind of animated avatars. And the best part is that you can easily create them with free AI tools. Plus, I will be giving you 4 ready-made avatars for free that you can download and start using in your faceless YouTube videos. But you need to watch the full video because I will share the download link anywhere in between this video. So without wasting a single second, let's get started. First step is to generate the avatar image. I will use Flux Dev model on Hugging Face to generate the image. You will find the link of this image generator in the description of this video, which will take you to this page. And here in the prompt box, I will copy and paste my prompt. I have also provided this prompt in the description of this video. After pasting the prompt, scroll down to the advanced settings and change the image aspect ratio to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then I will also increase the guidance scale to 6. And after doing all these settings, click the Run button to start generating the image. Now I choose Flux Dev model because it produces high quality results and it has better prompt adherence as compared to other image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. So our avatar image is ready and you can see how accurately it has followed the prompt and gave us the image exactly as we wanted. Now I am going to show you both methods to animate your avatar, with or without the face mask. So I will create another avatar image without the face mask. I will slightly edit my prompt and let's replace the face mask with black sunglasses. Copy the updated prompt and paste it here in the prompt box. Then click Run button again to start generating the second image. This looks fine, but let's try again to see if we can get something better. This is looking good, so let's download it. Now you may want to add or delete some elements in this image, so let me also show you how to do that. I will use Google Colab Defooocus to do this. Click the Google Colab link in the description of this video, which will take you to this page. First of all, go to the Runtime menu and click Runtime Type. Make sure that T4 GPU option is selected. Click Save and then click this Connect button on the top right corner. And once you see this connected sign, click this Execute button to start loading this tool. Depending on your PC settings, it may take some time to fully load. And once the code is fully executed, you will see this link ending with gradio.live. Click on that link to launch the Defooocus interface. And first of all, check the Input Image option. Then go to InPaint and Outpaint tab and upload your avatar image here. Then check this Advanced option, which will open this side menu containing multiple settings. From the Settings tab, select 1366 by 768 as the image aspect ratio. Then scroll down to InPaint and Outpaint tab, and from this drop-down menu, select Modify Content as the InPaint method. Then click on this icon to activate the Brush tool. The brush is used to highlight the area where you want to add or replace the elements. For example, I want to replace this element with the audio mic. So I will use the brush to highlight this area, and then in the InPaint prompt box, I will write audio microphone and click this Generate button. So as you can see, it has added this nice microphone on the table. Let's download this image, and now we are going to further improve our avatar. So I will open Photopea and import the image that we just downloaded from Google Colab. And let's add a couple of more elements in this avatar. I want to add a smoke effect on this coffee cup. So I will go to Canva and I'm gonna search for white smoke. Take your time to find the image you like. I like this image, so I will download it with transparent background. Now let's import this smoke image inside Photopea. Adjust the image size and place it here on top of the coffee cup. I will also add a YouTube icon here on the top right corner of the wall. So I will go to images.google.com and search for red neon YouTube icon. Let's see if we can find a suitable image. I like this image, so let's download it and import it in Photopea. Resize and position this image on the top right corner just like that. Now select this image layer and the background image layer. Then go to Edit menu and inside the Edit menu, click on the Auto Blend option. It's blended nicely, so let's move on. After that, we want to remove the character's mouth area. To do this, I will go to the side menu and activate the rectangle selection tool. Then select this mouth area. Go to side menu again, right click here and select the patch tool. Then slowly drag your cursor downward to remove this area just like that. And similarly, use the rectangle selection tool to select the remaining area and use the patch tool to remove that part as well. Then export this image as a PNG file. And now comes the most important part, in which you will learn how to take your avatar to the next level. We will first animate this avatar, which is without the face mask, and after that we will learn how to animate the avatar with the face mask. So let's start animating. Open your video editor and import the image that we just exported from Photopea. I am using Filmora, but you can use any video editor. The process is same. After importing the avatar image, I will import this green screen talking cartoon video in Filmora and place it on top of the avatar image. Adjust the duration of your avatar image to match with this talking mouth video. Then go to chroma key and remove the green screen. Now we just need to cut this talking mouth. So let's go to the mask menu and select the custom mask option. Then I will start drawing the mask on the mouth area. I will speed up this part. So we have masked the area that we needed. Now let's go to general settings and I will resize and reposition this cutout to fit on the avatar's mouth area. This is done. Let's preview to see how it looks. Alright, this is looking good. But notice that this area does not match with the skin color of our avatar. So let's fix that as well. I will select the talking mouth video and then I will go to color settings. From the color settings, I will increase the exposure until it blends with the avatar's skin color. So this problem is solved. Let's preview this again. This is looking great, but I will not stop here. I want to further improve it, so I will also add the rain effect on the background window. To do this, I am going to add this green screen rain video to the timeline. Then use chroma key again to remove the green screen and make some additional adjustments. So we have made the adjustments, but right now the rain is appearing in front of the avatar. We want to send this rain behind the background window. So I am going to resize this video clip and position it to fit on the background window. Now let's add a mask to the window area so that the rain appears only in the background. I will speed up this part. We have masked the right side window area. Now let's do the same thing for the left side window area. I will duplicate this rain video and then I will start masking this window area just like we did for the right side. This is done. Let's drag this clip on top of the previous one and now let's see how our avatar is looking with the rain effect. That's perfect. We have finished animating our avatar. Just one last step. I'm gonna copy these rain clips and paste them multiple times to cover the entire timeline. And here is the final result. So our animated avatar is ready and now you can start using it for your Faceless YouTube channel. I have provided this avatar plus 3 more ready-made avatars here. Pause the video and use this link to download them for free. And finally, let's animate the avatar we generated without the face mask. I will use Topview AI to animate it. After signing into Topview, I will click on Talking Photo Avatar and then I will paste my text here. You can use any text you want because we are only animating the character. So the audio is irrelevant because we are going to remove it later. Then upload the avatar image we generated with the face mask and click Generate to start the animation process. And there you go. Just remove the audio and start using this for your Faceless YouTube channel. Here is the link again to download these animated avatars for free, in case you missed the previous one. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then thumbs up this video and subscribe my channel for more AI videos like this. Take care and Happy New Year!